I would say that it is not just about the medicine, but the sacred atmosphere in which this medicine is brought to people, with a wonderful set of people who genuinely want to make this difference to your lives. It has been my joy to be at the Arkana Spiritual Center. I was looking to come back to experience Mother Ayahuasca and other plant and animal medicines. My journey with finding that inner clarity, with experiencing that expansion of consciousness in this last week, it took a very beautiful shape of all those experiences that I would have had in the past to reach a summation and transcendence. I am going back in a place that's only going to help me to serve people more, that's only going to help me to make a difference from a larger me. I would love to come back with more friends and family, and I would just end it with this last note that this precious life that we are gifted with, it was not given to us just to exist in misery, but it was given to us so that we can discover and live. And if you are passionate about it, you should definitely be here and experience this journey. Thank you.